The first law of logarithm that we'll be considering is known as the product law of logarithm. Product law of logarithm. So we have something in the form of log base a of xy. So we have a log of a certain base. It can be any base. Maybe the base is 3, 5, 10, any base at all, of a product of two numbers. If you have situations like this, what it simply means is you will take the log of each of the numbers in the product. So log a of xy is the same as log a of x plus log a of y. So what does this mean? Simple. It means something so simple as this, that the logarithm of a product is equal to the sum of the logarithms. The logarithm of a product is equal to the sum of the logarithms. So log a of xy is equal to log base a of x plus because you are multiplying. Let's pick examples. I think with examples will come clarity. Yes, you understand which example. So our first example will be log base 10 of 100 times 1000. Log base 10 of 100 times 1000. If you remember the product law of logarithm, we said if you are taking a log of products, what should you do? You take the logarithm of each of the numbers and add them together because you are multiplying. So now we take the log of each of them, that is log base 10 of 100 plus log base 10 of 1000. So what is at the top is the same as what is at the down. So now, log base 10 of 100 basically means 10 to what power will give us 100. 10 exponent what will give us 100. But before we look at that, remember that 100 is the same as 10 to the power 2. 100 is the same as 10 to the power 2. Meaning 10 exponent 2 is equal to 100. So 10 log base 10 of 100 stands for 2. I hope you got that. Then log base 10 of 1000 is equal to what? The question is simple. 10 to what power will give you 1000? That is what the question is asking you. 10 to what power will give you 1000? And mind you, the law of indices that we've already mastered tells us that 1000 is the same as 10 to the power 3. 1000 is the same as 10 to the power 3. It is a common knowledge that we've already established. So that means 10 log base 10 of 1000 is equal to 3. So 2 plus 3. If you find this a little confusing, then that basically means you've not watched our introductory lesson on indices. So you can watch the first lesson on indices and this makes complete sense to you. So 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So to put it simple, log base 10 of 100 times 1000 is equal to 5. I think you got that. So you can pause the video or rewatch this particular example and see how best that becomes easy for you to understand. Next question. Log to a certain base, the base has not been stated, and then the products are a to the power 2 times b to the power 3 over 2. This looks a little complex, but it's actually simple. But before we proceed, let me establish this important fact. If you see a certain log and the base is not specified, then know that it is log to base 10. Log to base 10. Whenever I see a log and the base does not be specified, like maybe base 2, base 3, base 4, base 5, base 6, if they've not specified the base, then know that automatically is base 10. So this is the same as log to base 10 of a squared b exponent 3 over 2. Keep that in mind. So let's go. Now the product law of logarithm tells us that if we have it in this form, we pick the logarithm of each of them and add. So this can also be written as log to base 10 of a squared plus log to base 10 of b exponent 3 over 2. Mind you, again, if the base is not specified, it is base 10. So we've split them up and added them based on the law of what? The product law of logarithm. Now log to base 10 of a squared. What do we do? You see the 2 on top of the a, because it's an exponent on top of a, according to one of the laws, which you would understand very soon, we will drop the 2 to fall behind the log. So this is what we'll write. The exponent on top of a comes, so write 2 log a plus, then the exponent on top of b falls behind the logarithm, becomes 3 over 2 log b. So log to base 10 of a squared plus log to base 10 of b exponent 3 over 2 can be written as 2 log a plus 3 over 2 log b. Take your time and absorb this. Good. After this, because the result, which is log a, we can't simplify it any further. We can't do anything to this. We just leave it at this stage. Yeah, we can't go anything further. These are just alphabets that we can't do anything to. If they were numbers, then we'll see what to do next. So basically, this is the idea behind the product law of indices. The product law of indices. So you can watch over or watch the lesson again, the product law of indices, to make it easy to understand. Yes. So this is the product law of indices. That's the first law we've considered. Our second law will be the quotient law of indices. The quotient law of indices. So see you in that lesson. But before then, if you found this lesson helpful, and then you think there are other students that can benefit from it, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and see you in our next lesson.